used two of my calls. John howled with the little bighorn and I howled with the Badlands Gunner. In no time, a coyote answered, but the only way to get any footage required both of us to get up and move about 15 yards and hope we wouldn't be seen, and we got lucky. I caught glimpses of him coming through the hills, but by the time I got the camera on him, he'd come as far as he was going to come, and just as he realized something wasn't quite right, John let one fly and hit him high and hard at 125 yards. The next morning, we had time for one more stand on the way to the airport. There were a lot of crops still in the field because it had been such a wet fall, but it didn't stop this pair from coming through the corn to get to us after 15 minutes of calling. We were sure the coyotes would come out of that great-looking cover in front of us, so I had John sitting to my right. When they didn't and came in from behind us, John had to slide down a bank about 10 yards for a safe shot. We started out this stand by howling, then we sat for 5 minutes in silence, then went to the rabbit distress sounds you heard for a few minutes, and then added some coyotes, or pup distress sounds, which explains some of this territorial behavior. Either one. Nice. While I was out traveling, Eddie and the boys put a couple more excellent kills on tape. Danny McDermott has a Fox Pro singing the Lightning Jack Blues, while Eddie is blowing a Badlands Gunner, and at the 4-minute mark, they have action. Yeah, kill him. I don't like to see guys shooting at running coyotes on film because most of the time they'll stop and you can make a much cleaner kill, but Danny does a nice job on this running coyote.